I'll be back, guys. I'll get some water. Hmm. All right. So I'm gonna be trading my top one futures account today. I'm not gonna trade my Top Steps account because I already made a lot of money from it. Um, I made around $700 copy trading three accounts. Last night, pretty much Asian Open. I call out. Good morning, Mindy. Yeah, ready to rock and roll today. Want to make some money? Have a good day today. It's one of my members. So I'm streaming live on YouTube too, just so you know. Oh, okay. Back to the top. So yeah, I made $700 live on Asian session, and I called out my group. That was long and short I was. Had three cons, started off with three cons, and when we reached around 600, that's when I took my first trim. Then set stop loss to break even, make it a free trade, and pretty much from there on, just ride a wave up until it got stopped out. I only said trim along the way, but yeah, it was good. If I kept them holding and they get stopped out, I think it would be the bigger payday. But you never want to be too greedy. Take what you can, you know. Not try and beat the market. You just try to extract from it. So market's open. Let's let's see what we got today. Um, will the Musk, Elon Musk and Trump saga drama continue today, or is it just like drowned out now? Now that investors got their share lower, maybe they're gonna dip by. Who knows? But I'm watching Tesla close today too. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm here. I'm here. Good morning. I'm just doing a live stream right now. Watching everything closely, watching Tesla closely. Not farm came out. Looks like market liked it because we had a strong candle from that and no signs of weakness yet. market is coming back to where it sold off. So, bearing any more drama today, I think we might test the highs again at this point. But I'm not jumping in anything yet. Feel like a dip is appropriate. Um, I don't mind a Tesla call right now, but that's uh, that's a hard one. That's a hard one right now. Let's see. Oh, I do like to feel like a drop in gold. Yeah. I think I want to short gold though. Gold short. Yeah, I think I'm a short gold, to be honest. I'm a short gold. If we get the GOD. Oh man, come on, just fill my order. All right, I'm in gold short. I'd have to monitor that too. Yeah, it's not on feature. I'm talking about stocks, options. I'm talking about options. Yeah, yeah, not. I mean, you can look. You can yes, future gold price too on this, but I'm not doing that. I'm doing options. I'm doing my other account, my Robinhood account. We got the 5 minute candle. Up. We can draw this 5 minute candle forward. Didn't feel looking bullish, but we could possibly get a sell off. Do a dip for the rip. If anything is possible on a Friday. Friday is probably one of the worst days for most people, just because of volatility, the chop, the action. It gets crazy on Friday. So I'm not jumping into anything yet. You know, a lot of this trading comes down to being patient, waiting for your setup. If it was traced down to maybe this trend line, the possible buy, right? Uh, I doubt it because that's a big drop. So if it starts to drop from here underneath the order low, I might short down to the trend. Now, if we're talking upside, um, I already marked it out 939. Pretty much is the top 936 there you go, from yesterday's high. That's our upside. Obviously, there's going to be some tweet back and forth about this whole Elon and Trump thing, but that's just going to impact market so much, right? Uh, Market is quick to look past things like that drama, but I don't know about Tesla's price though. Maybe a little bit more dip before start thinking about dip buying that. Everything else kind of recovered pretty well. Nvidia 1%, Apple 2%, Microsoft 0.5%, Google 1.9%, and Meta up 2.1%. So the Mag 7s look good, minus Tesla. Oh man. By the way, that's the reason why I'm shorting gold too. If you use the equities when it gets going like that, people de-risk with gold and trying long equities. That's why I am short gold. I think gold has more room to run down. I think the de-escalation with China trade will also hurt gold price. Okay, we are trying to break the orb high right now. I'm a little stuffy, so sorry if I make all the sniffing noise. Just my morning thing, allergies. I'll be mindful of that. Okay. 307 is the low. I said it's low for gold. Not bad. I'll probably take profit there then. So far, so good. We're up on gold short. Morning, honey. $4. There we go. It's going good. Break up high. I'm gonna lower this down to a 5 minute. So see this in the 5 minute. Watching the candles in 5 minute now. Yeah, we're breaking up. Breaking up, bro. We are looking kind of good right now. You think we can get some kind of retest? It would be nice. This doesn't look like a retest. It looks more like a break. So, break retest will give us a better confirmation to go along. I'm back on the 1 minute now, waiting for a confirmation retest. I like this candle here. If it holds within that body candle, I like a retest anywhere around there. Okay, I'm long right now. I'm long NNQ. Uh, my stops is gonna be 821. Okay, 821. Stop. Probably gonna target at least 900. First target. Actually, my stop's gonna be low. My stop's gonna be below this candle. 814, the 5 minute candle. Low. Gonna give it a little bit of room. See how we react here. Things still looking decent. There we go. We're starting to push. We're starting to push, guys. Let's always manage your risk, okay? Okay, so once you click you buy or sell, from there you drag on the bar right there. It will drag down for stop and drag up for take profit. You see yeah. hmm That is one of the best features for this platform is because of that. Most platforms you can't even do that. You have to like right click and set it on each side, stop and take profit, which doesn't make sense to me. But I mean, so a little pullback here. Just gonna read this test. And later on, sometime maybe today, tomorrow, I'm gonna make a video about risk management in a trade, the emotion psychology behind it. I think a lot of people lack that when it comes to risk management and put it on a trade, how you get your emotion in check. I think that's a good video to teach. Yeah, I think a lot of people lack that. They either sell too soon or stop out too fast because the risk management and their fear of losing, and they don't understand why. You know, I'm gonna break it down so make it more rational and understand why you shouldn't like stop at a certain point or why you shouldn't take profit at a certain point, right? And I'll make it pretty simple to break it down so you guys understand. I don't like to overcomplicate things. We like to keep trading simple. You know, the simpler it is, the better. You see, right? Yeah, good. See, like right now, I haven't even trailed my stop up. I haven't still tried to take profit, right? Because I already set my defined risk is 350. My move has not extended further than that for me to even consider taking profit. If I move my stop up right now, yes, I lower my risk, but I also increase my chance of getting stopped out too, you know? So there's nothing to worry about at this point. You know, you came in with the mindset, I'm willing to lose 350. There's nothing has changed here. Just let it play out. To risk reward is still the same. Nothing has changed. Don't need to panic. You don't have to worry nothing. If it goes down, you get stopped out. You're okay with that because you were already originally willing to risk 350 to make for me to make 532. Right? You have to keep that emotion in check. Yes, charting is important. Reading the signals is important. Like right now, the trend is up, so you don't have to stress so much about that. Trend is up. Okay, cool. That's all we went along, right? The compliment. We're above all the EMA. I know 1 minute. The 5 minutes also still look above all EMA. Um, so yeah, I mean, we just right now we just gotta wait to see if our play works out. We never know where the top is. We can only predict. Maybe, hopefully, we hit that previous day high. You know, things can go sour any minute. Oh yeah, when you play news, you have to be careful because you can't predict what the market reacts to. Even sometimes good news, they sell off. Bad news, they go higher, right? So news is always a gamble. Oh, the announcement? No, 5:30 is the news for us. Yeah, just look at Top Step. It'll tell you the exact time for our time. It's not based on New York time. It's based on our time. When you look at it, it should. The trader hub. Yeah, see the three on the left. That's like a people, three people background symbol. You click on that, it will tell you all the events that time and the time step, all the special events and whatever could happen for data news. It's all written there for you to see. Some things are more important, other things are not. Obviously, things that relate in the U.S. is more important for us. We have a little bit problem here with trying to push up higher, like a consolidating. Do it back and forth here. Yeah, same here. I don't have to. I don't have to take my kids to school, so I'm good here for a while. Also, yeah, I know. It's okay though. Kindergarten. Yeah, just graduated kindergarten. It's all right. The joy of being a parent. All right. Yes, 12 is a good age. Okay, so Tesla's selling off again. Let's see, Nvidia making a slight pullback. Things don't seem pulling back. Let's see if it holds the 21 EMA. Google is doing okay, and um, Microsoft's doing okay. Meta's doing okay too. A little pullback still. Let me check the breath. That's what I forgot to check. When I'm talking breath, I'm talking about market breath, not my breath. Okay, guys. Um, yeah, yeah. Look at the 5 minutes. Sometimes it'll keep you sane. Breath is positive, but okay, n- now we're starting to look like we might get stopped out. Man, we'll see this right here holds or not. If the 5 minute orb holds, we still have a chance. If it doesn't, it breaks, then we're probably gonna get stopped out soon. Yeah, I think it's gonna get stopped out soon. Unless it holds. And I'm okay with that, right? That's my defined risk. Now, if it happens, just wait and look for a different setup. Things are pulling back a lot, mainly Tesla. Oh shoot! I wonder how much gold is doing. I haven't keep a look at it. Oh, gold was up still. Okay, we got stopped out there. No biggie. All right, just gonna wait for the next setup. That's a break of trend in the 1 minute. I'm gonna draw a trend line here now. I'm starting to see a trend. 2 point hit. Let's see where this goes. Yeah, we broke the 1 minute trend. The high trend is down here. Let's see how far it is willing to send it. Let's see, maybe it's just tapping that trend right now. Trap wick. I feel like it, but I want to see another confirmation. Right? Let's see another confirmation. Spec orb again, and I'll take another stab, but a tighter stop this time because we're fighting the trend. We're in the current small trend. Okay, okay. That's 1 minute. That's just a 1 minute. Not two. Yeah, that's just a 1 minute. Don't overreact. Yeah, yeah. A 1 minute makes it look like a lot better than it is. Yeah, this could be like the dip, buy back a trend and then go higher. I speak about that all the time. We also work off of the 51 EMA. So I like that first green candle. I might try again. Long, let's see. Second candle green would be nice. Let's see. Sometimes it's good to be patient about it, right? There's a wick again off of it. It takes, yeah, it takes time to understand a 1 minute chart. Like you have to understand it. Hello. There we go. I like that wick too on that candle. And we can close green on this would be nice. We didn't close green though. Okay, let's go long again. Tighter stop though. This time stop is at 803, and we're trying to target at least back that recent high for the 1 minute or 5 minute, today's high. Starting to look promising. You guys doing it long, right? I said long. Oh, you haven't stopped out? Oh, nice. Maybe you probably have like one con earlier. Okay, okay. That was a nice push up, 5 minute candle. It could be tricky. That's not bad with reward. That's about one shoulder. I want to aim for that 900 too, though. Let's make this move count. Come on. It's respecting the trend line pretty well, so we do like that a lot. Bounce off, bounce off, bounce off, right? So respecting the trend line, respecting the 51 EMA too. 1 minute. Come on. bounce up there. We break this structure here high. We can look for higher. How's gold doing? Come on, tell me good things. Let's go. Gold's breaking down up $152. That's about 70% gain right now on gold short. I alerted that out live to everybody. So you take it, go ahead, take some profit, hold longer. And this one looking like a bad now candle. Respect this trend line again. Dang it. Back and forth again. 7 o'clock hit. Do we have any data? No, I think non-farm is the most important thing today. Wow, what a big sell off the original push. I'm not starting like this price action so far right now. We got a lot of back and forth. Big push, big sell off, big push, big sell off, right? Now we're breaking trend, kind of holding that EMA. I think we break that, it's going to be pretty ugly. Goes up 103%. Let's go. That's $220 right now. I'm still holding. They're not making it easy on us today, huh? Not making it easy. Yeah, that's what. This is typical Friday trading for you. This is typical Friday, right? It's a lot of repositioning. A lot of people contact expiration, weekly contact expiration, all that stuff. Usually on Friday, I like to just end green and stay at green. People and you end up red on Friday, it just ruins your weekend. You know what I mean? It just moves your morale and everything. So if we get a green there today, I'm walking off the screen. I mean, I'm already green, but like on this account. Yeah, past that. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I made like I think like 3,000 in the past 2 days. So on this account, I just need 600. Consistency rule. That's why. So top one future has a consistent rule, not like top step. On fund account, you don't have a consistent rule. You can make as much as one day. On this instant fund account, you can make only 20% each day to get a payout. It's kind of a dumb rule, but it's how they make their money. Make it a little bit harder so people can YOLO and make a bunch of money and then cash out on them. What, Top Step? Or this a training platform? Yeah, it's nice. It's different, right? Yeah, yep. No, they don't have option this one. It's just straight features. Yeah, things with option got a lot more features, obviously, because you gotta see with a contract and all that stuff. Yeah, gold. My gold short idea is looking good, guys. It's up 111% right now. Still going up $244. Gold short. Got one thing going for me today. See how much. Nope. Just I got work. I'm working weekends. Yeah. Sorry about that. Well, we're still respecting trends, so just stalling out kind of sucked there. I know. But my timeline for trading is always like from open to like 9, and that's a cutoff where I don't want to trade anymore. Because during 9 to 10 to 11, to at least to 11, 12, we get just choppy action. Unless there's some news that comes out, that could push market. Other than that, volume die out, things get choppy. You trade around those hours, normally you just get chewed up and blow your account up. The best time to trade is from opening to 9. It's where all the volume comes in. Before you got the push or the drawdown, whatever. You get the direction. That's the time for crypto. Yeah. I want to say time for trading is also important, because there's a certain time, like in the Asian market, there's a certain time where it moves. The Euro, London Open, a certain time it moves. So just knowing about the time to trade is also important. But yeah, yeah, and I see some trader do that, and it's just bad consistency, and it's just bad for your trading. You trade random spot, random time. You can't pick your time to trade. You gotta trade with the market is right condition to trade. Can we make a big push this time? Wow, it's just so choppy. Here we go again, testing the 51. Okay, things are not looking good. It's got a lot of time and energy to go up, and it's just been chopping back and down here. Starting like not like the upside lately now. Trend is broken too. Feel like we can just get stopped out at this very moment. I'm just probably gonna just X this out. I'm gonna close it early. Yeah, I'm gonna stop out here. You know, didn't hit my stop yet. I just don't like the price action, so I'm out. That's two lost so far, which could obviously go back revert the opposite way, but not feeling the price action at this moment. Had a lot of time and energy to push back up, it just failed to. Price is feeling like consolidating here. Did it? Yeah, it's very choppy, bro. It's stuck in this range right here. It's like this little range has been in so far. I think if we get out of that range one way or the other, I'll probably hop in. I don't mind hopping a little bit higher as long as we have this trend, this range right here. Breath has also been declining from this high, so that's not looking good. I'm not going to see gold here. Maybe I can get short gold because that's been looking good. But gold is actually about to enter a trend line that I have support. Yep, this is a support here. 15 minutes. This is gold feature. Oh man, I should have short gold features too. That would have been awesome. I see the trend line. I'm gonna go take profit too then on my gold short now. Up 124%. I'm gonna close this. Yeah, up. Let me see. Just so I can show you guys in the chat room what I meant. All right, I'm gonna take profit here. Shoot, I gotta take this out first. All right, took profit in the gold short. We good. Let's go back to NQ Nasdaq. Oh man, did it just bounce without me, you bastard? Nah, we're still in this range though. Still in the range. Oh yeah, I cut it earlier. I didn't get stopped up, but I didn't like the action, so it is what it is there. No, I just I see the move and I see the chop. I don't want to be around for it. That's it. It's like I'd rather have that move. And when sometimes you sit in a chair for too long, it doesn't work out. Sometimes you just gotta cut the loss early and just reconfigure. Just wait for a different setup. Like if yeah, exactly. Just calm down. What's what's up, W? W was the first one who alerted. Like he went long. I don't know, feel the gap in Asia session. That's when I took a look. I was like, all right, this looking interesting. So then I was like, all right. I was a certain point where like I'm gonna go long too, and I went long. I learned that group. I don't think anybody else took it. Oh, I think Minnie took it, but yeah, it's. I mean, if you look at it in the 5 minutes, it's almost the same thing, but you get a better wick off of 5 minutes. Right, right. Hmm. Okay, we're looking like we're turning back up right now, but let's say Google's going high, Nvidia finally bouncing, Tesla's made a bounce. Uh, we could be turning up right now. Microsoft, not so much, but it didn't dip much either. Only Apple is the only one that still hasn't made a turn back up. We're still in the range though. Let's, let's see what kind of news is there. An event that's coming up soon? Sometimes there's an event coming up, it will chop. Oh man, this platform's lagging. It's not showing. There we go. We got that. Okay, let me get all that out the way. We have ECB speaker, doesn't matter. Fed Bowman speaker 7. No, that didn't matter much. Total rate count 10 o'clock. Sounds like orders. Yeah, so nothing much. Back in the range. Tight little range. I'm gonna take this trend line off really because we just chopping now, so that trend line doesn't matter. V lost VWAP, Apple lost VWAP, Meta testing VWAP, Google's above, Microsoft above. If you're wondering why I'm naming those tickers, because those affect the Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq's tech, 100 techs. Those in the Mag 7s, they will move Nasdaq. They will move market. So I pay attention to those a lot. Man, if you shorted Tesla yesterday option, oh my God, you would have been paid so much money. So much money. I hope T's doing good. He almost passed, so hope we don't do anything reckless right now. Don't hope we don't get chopped up. Most longs have probably stopped already because broke underneath the 9 EMA. Also, yeah, just closed underneath it. Earlier we have support at 9 EMA looking long, but now we finally really broke underneath it. So things are starting to look shortish. Things don't look shortish, but still in that range. Still have the 21 and 15 main VWAP here, so there's a couple more support area left. A good long, if you can hold, is to retest this VWAP here, and I will like probably be really aggressive and go long. That's a nice play, or even tested the trend. That's a good long. That's a favorable long. Oh, I should have kept holding gold short. It's still tanking, man. Ah, whatever. Can't be too greedy, I guess. That gold short is looking pretty nice. Damn it. Little bit of a bear flag on the SPY. Same here. A little small trend line here. We break this trend line bull flag, they call it. We can see higher up. Xiao right now is acting like a resistant line. Yeah, a lot of things sound lose it. Mute myself. Oh, Price still trying to hold her in the 800. Oh, there we go. Now we're breaking down. Now we're breaking down further. Okay, I'm not gonna chase this down move at all, right? Because it's just too much possible support area. I don't know how much more it can go down, but I want to play the upside on this. So when it comes back to near support area, I want to play long. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Yeah, that was a big drop. So that's why. Hey, that's a that's a win in my book. It was on 32 bucks. 32 bucks losses and win in my book. But you see why I got out early because I didn't like the chop. I'd rather just get out. I'm like, I don't taking too long to break out. I didn't feel it. Now we wait for that bounce. Let's see. Possible support right here. I like that zone. Get rid of all this. Don't get too confusing clutter. Okay, we got more selling. Here we go. 51 EMA should provide some sort of support here. doing that. Yeah, still trying to get used to OBX. This push look promising. Nice wig, nice continuation push. Let's wait for a trend break. I keep doing that thing. What's up, Brandon? What's up, Oliver? Sorry, I didn't have my YouTube live channel chat on. I couldn't say anything, but hi, guys. Nice push up for her, right? Nice push up for her. Yeah, Bowman's not gonna move market. Fed Speaker Bowman was speaking, but he doesn't move market. We're still stuck in this range, opening range pretty much. Long eye, though. It's kind of boring right now. Gold made nice bounce. Too low. Okay, we're a little pushy now. Testing trend line. Can we find a break above? Come on. Making progress. Let's break above it. Nope. Are you? Why so fast? Oh, why you tell me? Why you holding on to good stuff, huh? Damn. Nah, I'm not in. I'm waiting for a trend line. You probably played a smaller trend line break, which is cool. You caught it right. Yeah, I see the small trend line break. I'm looking for the bigger trend line break to get in. But good job. Good job. You're learning, right? You figure your own little strategy. You found a little small trend line break. You got in. You went long. It worked out for you. That's good. Good progress. You don't have to. You weren't waiting for me to do it. That's from you learning from the education I provided. So that's good job. Now manage your risk, obviously. Yeah. I, I'm still. I want to find 400 back too. Hopefully, this is the break we're looking for. If it is good, okay. Gotcha. I don't know what. Yeah, in the background. Man, this thing picks up everything, huh? I gotta find a new way to. Got my for Pepsi to trade. Did it? No, mine just tied. It broke it. It broke it, but it's like wicking here. That's why I'm not sure I want to get in yet, but I do see it break so far in the 1 minute. There's a little stronghold right here. Okay, I guess I'll get in here too. I'm long, looking better. All right. I mean, I'll stop at the last, yeah, this candle low here on the 5 minute. And we'll try to aim for at least the, the high of today. Even though I want to go higher, maybe I want to go 900. I think 900 is psychological number. So, another thing is like Nasdaq, they're like even numbers. They kind of go for that even number. It's like 60, 80, 100. Those are kind of psychological numbers. If you're looking for like a point for take profit, aim for those kind of numbers. Even number. Yeah, look for a straight 60. I mean, 6.5 is no big deal. Like, oh, to part wick off of it. But you get what I'm saying. You better off at the straight even number. I learned it from one of the good trade I used to follow. And it makes sense. sort of, but it's wicking off of it. But that's why I got it in earlier. But now hopefully this plays out and don't get stopped out again because my stop is pretty tight underneath that last candle low. See, I was wicking off of it. And oh my gosh, it's doing what I wanted to do. I want a bigger, stronger breakup, not pull back from here. Hold the forks. Come on, it's almost 8 o'clock. Give it something. Oh, come on, not that again. Okay, I'm gonna get stopped again. I'm gonna get stopped. This is it. If I get stopped, I'm done with it. It's too much getting stopped up. Almost, almost. I got hope. I got hope. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, oh, did you? Good job. Yeah, good night. There, nice job. One combine pass. Good job. Good job. Proud of you guys. I'm trying. I'm trying my best. Yeah. Come on, finally make a push up. This thing is. Well, I mean, market is looking positive, so I don't know what a big drawback. Dang, you're right. If I came in from here, like your entry, that would be nice right now. Can we finally do it? Just break it. Come on. Come on. I'll be more aggressive. It breaks it. I'm willing to start adding. You know what? I could probably do that, add and hit my target faster. That is putting more risk on though. Do I really want to do that? Just make an attempt to break this. Ugh, stuck in the range. Tesla's moving up higher. Get him and Trump made up, I guess. Back to 300. Good job. Also, you guys don't have like a Twitter account or like an X account. It's really good for market because news come out faster on that account. You follow some guys who all they do is just post market news and stuff, breaking news. Twitter is one of the best places for that. Be more aggressive here. Should I? Wait. Let me time this fight. Yeah, right here. Break that. I'll be more aggressive. That's where the range was at. We can get out that little box. We'd be okay. But fight is actually more exciting than this. What was that? Let's see. Oh, it's interesting. Trump spoke with South Korea. How's that crazy? I mean, first phone call, maybe a possible deal. I'm reacting to that pretty positively, I guess. I'm backing along here. I felt like I could catch more of that move. We broke out this freaking range. Go for extra. Let's go for 900. Oh, let's go for 900. Let's go. Oh, my thing is dying out now. My mic is dying.